Good morning, guys. So it's another Sunday, super early. I have my Lolita photo shoot today, straight after work basically. So yeah, I thought I might bring you along and show you what it's like. But first, yeah, I have to go to work. So I'll see you guys afterwards. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm home again. Work was really full on. It was actually quite a busy day, and I'm pretty knackered from a busy week and busy yesterday as well. Yesterday was my swap meet, which you may have seen. But yeah man, so of course it is now daylight, nice and sunny. It's actually really freaking hot. I have to get ready. I have almost no time. You can actually see my Loli outfit there in the background that I'm gonna be wearing. But yeah man, I better put that on and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! So we're in the car now, clearly, I suppose. So I got ready as quickly as I could. We're still a weeny bit late, but not badly, like maybe, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. But I'm totally ready and good to go. Oh man, it's so hot today. I think I'm gonna melt if I'm out in direct sunlight. That actually reminds me, I haven't even put on my sunblock. Oh my god, no. All right, I have sunblock on. Life is okay. Honestly, everyone should wear sunblock daily. So we're on the way. We are maybe 1 minute away. I'm pretty excited and also kind of nervous. I'm not good at photo shoots, you know, like knowing what to do on cameras is quite difficult, I think, for me anyways. But yes, I'm super excited and I guess I'll just see you guys there. Hey guys, so I just finished my photo shoot. It was heaps of fun. We were inside this huge cherry blossom tree. I think they're gonna turn out really good. I'm really excited about it. I'm glad that, I don't know, I managed to like get everything on and look, you know, semi-presentable for the shoot. Craig and I are now just chilling out a wee bit in the park and we are gonna walk around to see some of the other trees and stuff. Maybe take some extra photos and yeah, just hang out. Then we'll probably head off home. But anyways, it's going well, it's going well. Hey guys, so I'm back in the car again. Craig and I had a bit of a wander and took some photos. I think we're gonna go get something to eat on the drive home. I'm pretty hungry. I had a lot of rushing around to do, as per usual, to be honest. I swear to gosh, like, I don't know. I'm always rushing around, man. I think the photos will turn out nice and I had lots of fun. I don't know, that's most important, right? So we are finally home. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad to be back. Today was really fun. I had such a wonderful time with all the cherry blossoms, man. I am so relieved it went well today. I'm pretty sure it went well. The photos looked pretty good from what I could see, so that's good. Aside from that, it was really nice to get out and see the cherry blossoms. I haven't seen them like, I don't know, up close and personal kind of thing. Like I drive past them every day, which was really lovely. So yeah, I had a really good afternoon overall. I'm totally spent, man. Like today was a really busy day at work. I had a lot to do. Early pickups as well, like when people want cakes really early on in the morning, it always makes it a little bit trickier. But yeah, man, so I'm pretty knackered. Yesterday was the swap meet. I don't know if I've mentioned this, but yeah, so it's been a full-on weekend and now I have a lovely full week of work to enjoy. But yeah, man, I'm glad to be home and chilling out. I'm gonna do nothing else for the rest of the evening, finish off my snacks from McDonald's, and then we're gonna get more takeaways for like a proper dinner. We're getting Thai. Oh, I'm so excited. I get green curry, of course, but it's really yummy. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed coming along today. It was lots of fun, and I hope you might be enjoying seeing like springtime if you're not in spring, you know, if you're currently like in autumn, which I love autumn. Oh my gosh, autumn's probably like second fave. I think I go spring, autumn, winter, then summer. Summer is my least favorite by far. But yeah, man, maybe you're enjoying seeing the cherry blossoms from wherever you are in the world. Anyways, that's the video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I always really appreciate it. And yeah, man, hopefully I will catch you in my next video. Bye!